Hold on. Huck, what do you got, buddy?
Go show him.
Huck, what is that?
No. Huck, what's this?
Huck, not at the front door.
What's this? Okay, take it to Daddy. Don't.
Come here.
Really? Well, thanks for bringing it to me as an offering. Oh, gosh. Here. Why do you think you're a beaver?
Huck, did you find that from Old Hickory out back?
He thinks he's a beaver.
This is our dog, Huckleberry, who occasionally thinks he's a beaver and brings in sticks, 2x4s, sheets of plywood, and small children to chew on. Just kidding about the small children. Hey, what are you doing? You're making short work of that stick, Huckleberry. I guess we maybe need to put some more fiber in his diet.
Roughage clearly is... I don't know.
Maybe he needs to eat a little more salad and less meat. Oh, the joys of being a dog owner.